Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sewing kits is probably one of the most rewarding ways to dive into the world of sewing, offering a curated collection of fabrics, patterns, needles, and other essentials, all neatly packaged for your convenience. Whether you're a seasoned stitcher looking for a new challenge or a complete beginner eager to learn, these kits provide everything you need to create beautiful and unique projects, eliminating the guesswork and frustration of sourcing materials individually. This video will help you navigate the world of sewing kits and find the perfect one for your skill level and creative aspirations. Number 5. Family Repair Sewing Kit. It's a complete sewing kit with all the essentials for basic repairs and crafts. Everything you need is right here, ready to go. This kit includes 40 spools of thread in various colors, needles, scissors, and other handy tools. You'll be prepared for any sewing project. Its compact size makes it easy to store and carry. It's perfect for travel, keeping in your car, or at your desk. This kit makes a wonderful gift for travelers, crafters, or anyone who appreciates a well-stocked sewing kit. It's great for teaching kids too. We stand behind our product with a 90-day money-back guarantee and a 24-month warranty. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like? It's compact and has everything you need for basic repairs. If you're always on the go or need a sewing kit for travel, this is perfect for you. It's also a thoughtful and practical gift for anyone who appreciates preparedness. Number 4. KRAFUN My First Sewing Kit. It's the ideal present for friends and family. This beautiful kit comes in a reusable box and is a fantastic way to introduce kids to arts and crafts. Make 7 adorable creations, including bags, ornaments, and pillows. Easy-to-follow instructions make learning stress-free. It's a wonderful gift for children 5 and up who are learning to sew. Families can enjoy creating these fun crafts together. It includes safe plastic needles and high-quality materials from reliable sources. Everything is thoroughly tested to ensure your child's safety. No glue is needed, and there's no mess. The pre-cut shapes and pre-punched holes make it simple to follow the clear instructions. What we like? This kit makes learning to sew fun and easy with simple projects. If you're looking for a creative activity for kids, this is a great way to introduce them to sewing. The step-by-step instructions make it perfect for beginners. What people say? The kit is well organized, with everything clearly labeled and easy to follow. The materials were high quality, vibrant, and safe for little hands, and the kit had just the right balance of challenge and fun to keep her engaged. The instructions are easy to follow, and the finished product is adorable. Great for teaching beginners with easy instructions. The instructions are simple, and the pre-cut felt pieces made the process easy and fun. My child loved creating the plush animals and felt so accomplished afterward. It kept them busy for hours and helped develop fine motor skills. Number 3. Woodland Animals Sewing Kit. It's more than just a craft, it's a chance for kids to learn hand sewing and express their creativity. It makes a wonderful gift for both boys and girls. Everything you need is included. 5 pre-cut animal projects, needles, thread, and even a handy carrying case. It's ready for portable fun. This kit is perfect for craft parties. The easy-to-follow instructions make it a hit for playdates and birthdays. It's fun for 5 or more kids. It's not just fun and games, it helps kids develop their imagination, build confidence, and learn practical skills like sewing. It's educational and engaging. Kids love hands-on activities. This kit provides engaging projects that teach kids about themselves, others, and the world around them. It's a great way to keep them happy and entertained. Sew 5 adorable woodland animals. This kit includes everything you need to create these cute creatures. It's a fun and rewarding experience. What we like? It's a fun and educational way for kids to learn to sew while creating cute woodland animals. If you're looking for a gift that combines learning and fun, or a creative activity for a kid's party, this is a great choice. What people say? It comes with the materials to make 5 woodland animals, a fox, a chickadee, an owl, a rabbit, and a bear, as well as the tools to make them minus the scissors. He was very impressed that it had pins and a pincushion in addition to all the rest of it, since that meant he had his own pincushion like his older sister. The majority of the set is very well made, nice felt, nice embroidery thread, nice materials for the animals in general. The cutouts of the animals are precisely made, high-quality needles, pins, even the scissors are great. The punched holes lined up and the kit contains sufficient supplies to complete all of the animals. Number 2. Superhero Cross-Stitch Kit. This kit has 5 pre-printed patterns, making it super easy for kids to create their own superhero designs. It's a fun and creative way to spend time. The kit includes 11 CT IDA stamped fabrics, so kids can easily follow the patterns and create beautiful artwork in no time. It's perfect for beginners. This needlepoint kit will get kids excited about creating. It's a great way for them to develop their artistic skills and coordination, while having fun. The kit comes with 5 hoops, pre-printed canvas, needles, and high-quality thread. It also includes easy-to-follow instructions for a smooth crafting experience. It comes in a beautiful box, making it an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Kids will love creating and showing off their unique superhero creations. Once completed, these stitched designs make adorable backpack charms or room decorations. Kids will be proud to display their handiwork. What we like. The pre-printed fabric makes it super easy for kids to create beautiful cross-stitch projects. If your child is interested in crafting but needs something simple to start with, this is the perfect kit. It also makes a great gift for kids who love to create. What people say. My 8-year-old wanted to learn cross-stitching like my older daughter, so I got her this kit to practice and she loves it. It has the imprint on the canvas so she can follow the pattern and colors easily. They look great and all of the pieces are well made. The stamped patterns cover easily with the floss. The directions are clear and easy to understand. I helped her along for the first few stitches and after that she continued on her own. This is a great kit to help kids get started on cross-stitch. Number 1. CRAFTILOO Fairy Sewing Kits. Unleash your child's creativity with our enchanting fairy sewing kits. It's a perfect way to spend quality time together, fostering imagination and fine motor skills. These kits are designed for beginners, making sewing fun and accessible for children aged 5 and up. The pre-punched holes and simple instructions make it easy to learn basic stitches. It's more than just a craft, it's a learning experience. Your child will develop patience, improve their hand-eye coordination, and create adorable plush fairies. Each kit contains everything needed: pre-cut felt, needles, embroidery floss, stuffing, glue, and an easy-to-follow guide. Just open and start creating. These kits are ideal for birthday parties, slumber parties, or as a unique and thoughtful gift. It's a screen-free activity that encourages creativity and bonding. We're confident you'll love these kits. If you have any issues, our customer service team is here to help. Give your child the gift of creativity today. What we like. This kit features adorable fairies and is perfect for kids who love magical creatures. If you're looking for a fun and engaging craft activity for a birthday party or playdate, this kit is a great option. It's also a wonderful way to introduce younger children to sewing. What people say. Teaching my 3-year-old granddaughter simple sewing with this kit. She loves fairies. The sewing is quick and simple, then you dress her with pre-made clothes and accessories. Just enough crafting for the attention span of a 3-year-old. And the end product is a cute treasure to play with. Very easy to follow directions. Turned out very cute. The pirate one was probably my daughter and my favorite. It came with a fun play mat/pirate map, and has directions for making a ship from the box. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.